Welcome to our channel Science and Knowledge. So, this move will make the Galaxy S25 Ultra look more modern and in line with the rest of the flagship series. But it won't be the only aesthetic upgrade for the Ultra series in 2025. Now we know everything about the future Galaxy S25 Ultra that you need to know here. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge for our future videos. Leaks also suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra camera rings look similar to the Galaxy Z Fold 6s and have fine ridges circling the lenses. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will retain the S Pen, and early fan-made renders based on supply chain information say the S Pen holster is located on the left side. Lastly, Samsung appears to have put a lot of work into slimming the S25 Ultra bezels. The frame, which should be made from titanium, will be narrower than the Galaxy S24 Ultra frame. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will reportedly measure 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 mm. Samsung will supposedly fit a slightly larger display on the Galaxy S25 Ultra, one that measures 6.9 inches instead of 6.8 inches. Based on what the Galaxy S24 Ultra already enjoys, other display specs for the Galaxy S25 Ultra might include an LTPO display, a QHD Plus resolution, and a variable refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. Either way, chances are that the Galaxy S25 Ultra, in particular, will be powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip in every market. Qualcomm's Elite chip was announced at the end of October, boasting the fastest mobile CPU in the world. It is equipped with new Orion CPU cores, the primary of which boasts a 4.32 GHz maximum frequency. The Snapdragon 8 Elite chip has the fastest hexagon NPU for on-device multimodal Gen AI assistance. Overall, the chip is said to boast 45% single-core and multi-core performance improvements, 62% faster web browsing, and 45% faster NPU performance. In terms of power savings, the 3nm Snapdragon 8 Elite boasts 44% CPU and 40% GPU energy-saving improvements. Connectivity features include UWB and AI-enhanced Wi-Fi 7. Furthermore, the Galaxy S25 Ultra could sport 16GB of RAM, up from 12GB, although a 12GB RAM base option might also exist. As for storage, the Galaxy S25 Ultra should be offered with 256GB, 512GB, and 1TB. We don't expect battery specifications to change. Based on existing data, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will have a 5000 mAh battery with 45 watts fast charging capabilities. One significant upgrade could consist of a higher resolution ultra-wide camera. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is said to sport a 50-megapixel ultra-wide shooter with a 1 by 2.52-inch optical format, an f1.9 aperture, and 0.7 microns pixels. Aside from the ultra-wide sensor, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely be equipped with a 200-megapixel main camera, a 10-megapixel 3x telephoto shooter, another 50-megapixel 5x telephoto camera, and a 12-megapixel selfie unit. At launch, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will run Android 15 and One UI 7.0 at the very least, or likely an updated version called One UI 7.1. Insider Ice Universe claims the Galaxy S25 Ultra will perform admirably, thanks to a combination of fresh software, One UI 7.1, more RAM, and the Snapdragon 8 Elite chip. The Galaxy S25 Ultra will likely be revealed in January or February next year, and the prices will be higher due to upgraded hardware components. So, for more tech news and updates, please stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. See you next time, stay blessed, peace out.